Hello everyone and happy holidays, happy December, and welcome to my channel. My name's Kiera and today I'm gonna be baking some holiday Christmas themed cookies for my friends as some Secret Santa gifts. I got up at 7 a.m. while they're all sleeping so I can get this done so no one will know. Hopefully the smell does not waft up into their bedrooms, but I thought I'd film it, it'd be fun, and I'll give you guys some ideas for Christmas gifts. And yeah, so let's just get baking. So every college student loves food, especially free food. I don't know about you, but if someone offered me a free cookie or cookies, I would eat it right then and there. There's no way I could say no. So this is a great gift for all them college students, if you know any. And I know a lot of you are probably thinking, Kiera, I can't do this. I can't cook. I can't bake. I can barely use a microwave. All I eat is ramen. You know, I actually don't know if I can help you there. That might be something you need to ask your parents or your roommates or something, but if you own a bowl and a spoon of some sort and you can sort of function an oven, then you're golden, and your cookies will be too. So the rest of the cookie baking is entirely up to you. You can add icing, sprinkles, food coloring, pretty much whatever your heart desires, you know, go crazy. Actually, I guess I should say what your stomach desires, because that's what really matters in this case. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's as simple as that. Obviously, you can make the cookies from scratch, but because I'm a college student going on a budget, this is supposed to be, you know, simple, easy for college students, I chose the pre-packaged mix, which just requires butter and an egg. And then you can decorate them however you like, depending on who you're making them for, or whatever occasion it may be. And yeah, I think they turned out okay. I may not be the best decorator, but I tried.
It's like this.
Candy! Cookies? Cookies.
Look, they're
Or candy. Cookies? Thanks. I got a star.
This is so heavy.
It's like Patrick star.
Yes.
Did you get cookies too?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
not the cookies.
Yeah.
Cookies? Oh hell yeah!
I know, Kiera just stocked us up on cookies, that's awesome. And she freaking decorated them hella cute.
Yeah, this is way better than I've ever done before. My cookie experience.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you made some frickin' delicious holiday cookies, or at the least found this entertaining in some way. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.